Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Wallpaper Engine and confirming it's installed and updated. Once done, go straight to the workshop or editor. This is where you add live wallpapers. You must choose a compatible source file, MP4, WebM, or GIF, and have it ready in an accessible folder. Make sure your Steam account is signed and so uploads work, and check resolution and FPS to avoid performance surprises later. Now, import the file into the editor to begin the conversion. You now build the wallpaper inside the editor by creating a new project and selecting a video or scene template. This determines capability and size. Once in, add your media asset and configure playback options, looping, audio mute, start delay, FPS, and choose scale mode for multi-monitor setups. Then set the performance profile to balance visuals versus CPU/GPU load, and target specific monitors if needed. Make sure the source path is correct, so the editor doesn't lose the file when exporting. Finish by exporting your wallpaper, upload to the workshop or save as a local package, then apply it from your library so you can verify appearance and performance. Test across monitors and tweak performance settings if playback stutters. If something goes wrong, first check codecs and file permissions. Missing codecs or locked files are common culprits. Also update your GPU drivers, and if necessary, re-import the source file after fixing the issue. Once resolved, re-export and enjoy the live wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.